Are you ready to downsize and begin enjoying your best years ever? Then you owe it to yourself to check out 24619 Hatton Lane.
Come with us. Located in the 55-plus gated community of Trilogy in Temescal Valley, this 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home offers terrific leisure lifestyle. The open floor plan and 9-foot ceilings create a spacious, airy feeling. The kitchen features a breakfast bar and a center island with newer granite counters and appliances. The sink and faucet were replaced too. Take advantage of the east-facing eating area to enjoy morning sunrises. Newer flooring tile that looks just like wood adds to this home's charm. A wall of cabinets and bookshelves in the living room provide lots of storage and a place to display your precious mementos and photos. A built-in desk for projects or work is tucked in the hallway. The master bedroom is spacious, and the master bathroom has dual vanity and walk-in shower. The second bedroom and bathroom are at the opposite end of the hallway for guest privacy. You'll love the convenience of a handy utility sink in the laundry room. The private backyard provides the perfect setting for relaxing and entertaining, with a no-maintenance aluminum patio cover and just the right size yard for gardening or pets and kids to play.
Trilogy residents enjoy loads of amenities that the community offers. A fabulous 18-hole golf course, a 13,000 square foot clubhouse with meeting rooms, plus professional kitchens for catered events, indoor and outdoor pools, a state-of-the-art fitness center, and a library. Opportunities are in abundance for making new friends, learning a new hobby, or staying fit because there is a full calendar of events such as dancing, wine tasting, Bible study, fitness groups, art and craft clubs, book clubs, card games, educational classes, and much, much more. Trilogy is located on the eastern side of the Cleveland National Forest in the heart of Temescal Valley. Tom's Farms and Glen Hot Spring Spa are just down the road, and there's plenty of shopping and places to eat at Dos Lagos and the Crossings. Temescal Valley is also home to the newest Riverside Medical Clinic.
With the mountains and canyons, plus the wide open spaces created by one of the very best golf courses in the area, you're surrounded by all the spectacular beauty that nature has to offer. So what are you waiting for?
Give us a call today at 951-660-5926 for your own private tour and find out all that Trilogy has to offer.